Hey there. I looked on YouTube and I didn't find anything like this, so I am posting this video in the hopes that it'll help somebody and save them a few hours of work that it cost me. First of all, this is the Harbor Freight electric hoist, and I have it set up with a dual trolley system. I'll go into later, but that is the only way that you can hang this with having a stable platform. Otherwise, weight shifts when you're lifting on the hoist, and it will derail the trolley, and the trolley will come off the I-beam. So just be aware of that. You can't do it on a single trolley system. So here you'll see I have two 1-ton trolleys. A couple of quick things before we start. They give you a 5-foot control cable. Now 5 foot, I don't know what the heck you would be lifting, but you have up to 40 feet of cable on a 1,000-pound and 20 feet of cable on a 2,000-pound capacity on this thing. So 5 feet doesn't really do you any good. Pick up 5 lead, you're going to need 5 conductor contractor wire. I actually upgraded this to 14 gauge because it was a lengthened control, and all you need to do is drill out the wire nut and it fits just fine. Quick thing, the trolley itself will come with this weird bracket hardware. Throw that out because you really don't need it. What you're going to want to do is get a 1 1/8 inch hole saw, get a piece of angle iron and drill it out, and it fits perfectly on the trolley. Here's the setup I have. And what you can see there is the L brackets center the weight of the hoist, and which you need a centered pull on a trolley for it to be stable. Otherwise, if you uncenter it side to side, which is the setups where you have this hoist turned 90 degrees, that won't work. It's going, when you pick up, as I mentioned earlier, it'll unweight one side of the trolley and you will have failure. This was also far simpler than some of the solutions I've seen out there where they build all of these crazy brackets and stuff like that. Piece of angle iron, 2 inches by 3 inches is going to suit you fine. A 1 1/8 inch hole saw, and then keep the hardware, the mounting hardware, the nuts to mount it to the top of the hoist. So there you have. I bought 2 1-ton trolleys because it's only a 1-ton hoist, so that's double the load, and it's a fine safety factor. It works great on the I-beam, and you will need to lengthen the control arm, the control cable. Well, that's it. I hope that helps. Take care. Be safe.